Create an invoice if your business does not require creating sales receipts or estimates. Please make sure you have created customers and products before you create your invoice. From the dashboard screen, click New from the top right menu, and then click on the invoice, or click on Sales, and then select Invoice from Transaction dropdown. Fill in the relevant information at the top of the form, like the customer, date, invoice hash, and address. In the detail area, click on Add Item and select the item/S. Note, when you select or add an item, the description and amount are automatically populated based on the description and unit cost entered when it was set up. You can delete or modify this when creating invoices. Now your invoice has been created, and now you have options to send this invoice directly to your customer, or take a print by clicking on the Print button.